Is dry erase paint still worth it in 2025? What is dry erase paint and how does it work in 2025? Although its name includes the word paint, dry erase paint is a coating that adheres perfectly to a variety of substrates. Premium whiteboard paint has a curing period of just 48 hours after application. Top quality dry erase paint has a two-part water-based aliphatic polyurethane formula that's highly resistant to UV radiation and leave behind no ghosting marks. Why dry erase painted walls outperform traditional whiteboards? Schools with classroom writable walls save up to 50 minutes per week of class time due to smoother transitions and board sharing. The vast, open character of dry erase painted walls makes them easy to access. So when a team member wants to make notes or gets an idea that triggers a brainstorming session, they have a big handy canvas to work on. Where are dry erase walls being used now? STEM classrooms. In 2025, educators are feeling a strong urge to overhaul the teaching of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. Home offices or hybrid workspaces. With the current trend toward working from home, dry erase paint provides the ideal home office wall coating. Therapy centers. Whiteboard walls offer therapists large interactive surfaces for clients' cognitive enhancement activities, such as memory games, as well as ample room for daily schedule planning. Is whiteboard paint better than chalkboard paint? Dust-free writing and drawing. Unlike writing on chalkboard painted walls, writing on dry erase painted walls is a dust-free procedure. Clean aesthetic. Whiteboard painted walls have a clean, bright, minimalist look that provides a perfect contrast to 2025's interior design trend toward maximalism. Better visibility. Writing done with dark-colored markers on dry erase walls is much easier to see than text made with chalk on a chalkboard. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.